So hey guys, welcome back, and today I'll be testing the real method of Microsoft Edge rewards. So basically I have earned enough points to redeem a reward, so let's check it out if it is really ethical or not. So yeah, let's open Microsoft Edge, and I have already opened the website here, and here you can see that I have 9216 available points, and for the Amazon Pay gift card we need 8150 points. So I'll quickly click on redeem reward. Alright, after signing in, it shows me the prompt to confirm my reward, so I'll click on confirm. And here you can see that a verification page has opened here, so I'll quickly send a verification message to my phone now. So guys, I have seen the OTP now, let's put it. So guys, as you can see that complete my order has come, and now let's finally click on it. Alright, the page is loading, and yeah, you can see that your reward is on the way. So I'll quickly check out my mail and tell if it has really come. So wait a second. So guys, finally you can see that hooray, your order is here, and finally we have claimed our coupon from Microsoft Edge. And yeah, if you also want to claim this, you can also use Microsoft Edge and earn points. So yeah, in today's video that was it, and if you want to watch more videos, subscribe to the tech side for more tech updates. Bye bye.